Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Brother DCP-T430W printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First step is check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome, and in a search type Brother DCP-T430W printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.brother.com official website of the Brother printer. Open the first link. And here we find our Brother website. Here select Windows. In operating system, select Windows. In a OS, select Windows 10 32-bit if your machine is 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit. Then click on this OK button. Click on OK button. It's redirect to another web page. Here we find many options. Two options are IMP for us. First, go to this full setup or the full software pack, or scroll down and here we find the drivers. Here we find the drivers, printer and scanner drivers for USB. Click on this printer driver and scanner drivers for USB. Click on this drivers and here we find printer drivers and scanner drivers for USB. Click on that. It's redirect to another page, and here we find agree to our download. Agree to download. Click on that and our download is started. At the top here we find our download is started. Wait for a few seconds to complete it. It's completed. Go to here downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file, and it is very easy to install. Double click on it and it's extract on our PC or laptop. Here we find newly extracted folder, unzip folder. Double click on it and here we find our drivers. Okay, now we are going to install it. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, click on add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find many options in a add a printer. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and select any USB port that you want. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port that you find. Select USB port. Click on the next. Click on Haberdix. Click on browse. Go to the desktop. Go to our newly created folder GDI, double click on it. Here we find some files. Select any file. All files contain same printer driver. Select any file. Click on the open. Click on the OK. Here we find many printers. From these printers, find our printer name T430W. Find Brother DCP T430W printer. Select our printer. Click on the next. Give any name that you like. I go with the same name. You can change any name that you want and click on the next. Wait for a few seconds. In a few seconds, our installation process is complete on our PC or laptop. Our installation is complete. After that, if you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. First option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next option is check out printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name Brother DCP-T430W, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.